What is up, guys? Welcome back to another cereal review. I am the real cereal guy. We're checking out today Confetti Crunch by Great Value. Now, Great Value has been pushing out their own versions of, different, you know, concepts of their cereal. But this one, I had my eye on it. I saw it. I had to grab it. So let's try it. Also, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, guys. I look forward to reading your guys' comments, and I always message back. Eventually, I do, but I do look for them. So, yeah. If you know me by now, any kind of confetti, birthday cake type of cereal, it's got to be me. Has to be. And it seems like they went for the cinnamon toast crunch layout, but yeah, they're coated with funfetti, I guess, if you can check that out. But it smells good. Smells good. The smell's there. Let's see if the taste is there. So, all right. So, it's good. The smell, the taste isn't overpowering. The smell is about equal. The smell and the taste, they're about almost the same. Taste wise, it's okay. It's not great. But I mean, I could see where they were going with this. They're like, hey, we got to keep up with the competition. This funfetti, crunchfetti, birthday cake taste is, is catching a buzz. But these cereals are always limited edition. They put them out for like maybe a month, and then they see where they go from there. But yeah, that's my take on this one. Yeah, it was a good cereal. My rating, 1 out of 10, probably be like a 6. I mean, that ain't bad for a knockoff, funfetti, birthday cake edition from Great Value. But it was affordable. Just so you guys know, they are affordable, and it's enjoyable. It's a good cereal. So yeah, that's my rating. That's my outlook on this one. See it? Pick it up. The real cereal guy said so. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you on the next one.